Holy cow. How am I gonna keep this closed? I'm gonna tie a big old piece of something around it. Hey guys, today is day 91 for the 100 day project, and so I thought I would do today's video. We're going to do a quick one. I left off with day 87 with videos, so by now you've probably seen this one, day 87, the funky flower. This one was so much fun. So day 88 is here. Let me give you a little flip through of the ones that you've missed that I didn't film. Day 89 here. And day 90 here. And I forgot to turn my lights on. I'll do that in a second. Okay, so 91 we're going to do as soon as I find a free page. Oh, here. I think the middle of my book is what's left. We've gone back and forth, back and forth. And so now we're doing the last 2 pages, and then we're going to be working on the insides and then probably the covers and some extra sheets because we're going to run out of pages. Okay, so day 91, I pulled out these things. I started by pulling this out because I really like this. I want to use some. And then I was flipping through looking for colors I wanted to use, and I found this paper here, and I flipped it over, and I really like this color scheme, so I thought I would, let me turn this light on. I forgot to turn my lamps on, so maybe you can see better if I turn them both on and turn off the other lamp that I was using. Okay, maybe that's better. I really like this color scheme, so I pulled this out. And then I pulled this out. Oh, I'm blinded by lights. I hope you can see the little dots. It's a little Swiss dot look. And then I came across this page, and I wanted to use this on one of the covers, I think, but I really, really love this, and I think I was inspired by the circle here and these colors because of this here. So I pulled this out, and then the last thing I pulled out was this envelope, and I pulled this out because I like the shapes, the way they did the decorating on the envelope, and I saw little petals here. So we're probably going to pull one of these as a flower, either one of these or this, and that will be our flower. And I might try to incorporate these. I don't know. So let's get started and see what we get. Okay, day 91. By the time this video goes up, I don't know what day it'll be, but I looked on my calendar and day 100 falls on, I think, the 11th, Wednesday. If I calculated wrong, it's somewhere around there, but I think by the time day 100 comes, I will actually be a little clear of some of the things that are going on right now. So I'm thinking that day 100 will be a day where I'll do a process video and talk, and I don't know, we'll probably do the covers. We'll cover maybe the front cover or the back cover. It just depends. I may do those first and do an inside cover. I just don't know. We'll see what happens on day 100. Maybe it'll be a free page that goes into the pocket here because the book's getting a little chunky. Look at this. Holy cow. How am I going to keep this closed? I'm going to tie a big old piece of something around it. All right. Thanks for being here, guys. I will see you again soon. Not sure what day, but soon. See you later.